Hello Freedom Tool users. In this video we'll be going over how to connect your Bluetooth interface box to your computer using the provided Bluetooth dongle. In order to get things started, you're going to need to have your interface box plugged into an elevator and have a flashing green status light. You will also need to plug in your Bluetooth dongle to your computer. If you do not get a green flashing status light to appear on your interface box after it's plugged into the elevator, make sure that you have no wires plugged into the interface box and that the elevator has power. Now you should plug your security key into any available USB port on your laptop and make sure it has a solid green light. Once you have completed all these previous steps, you are ready to connect to the elevator within the Freedom Tool software. For this video, I'll be using my DMC module software, so I'm going to go ahead, select Tissendover DMC1, and my computer will begin to connect to the interface box. This computer has assigned COM7 to my Bluetooth dongle and has been pre-selected for me, so I'm going to go ahead and select OK. My security key has passed, so I'm going to go ahead and select OK again. So now I am in the DMC software. Just to make sure everything's working properly, I'm going to go ahead and see if I was able to establish communications with the CLC board. CLC came up as present, so I was able to successfully establish communications with the board. Now let's go over some common issues people may encounter during this process and how to resolve them. So the most common issue people seem to run into while connecting to their interface box with the Bluetooth dongle is receiving this error message after selecting a COM port. To figure out the correct COM port you should be selecting, all you have to do is go to Device Manager in your control panel settings, find ports with COM and LPT in parentheses, and look for a USB serial port, and you'll see a COM number in parentheses afterwards. That's the COM number you should be selecting. If the COM number is not between the numbers of 1 through 8, I will leave instructions on how to change your COM port number in the description below. Another common issue people have is when they have CLC absent in their communication status box as opposed to CLC present. CLC absent can be caused by a number of things and is most common in elevators that do not run, but to verify that your interface box is not causing this issue, you can make sure that it has a solid green light and a solid red light. If you have those two lights, it's most likely a hardware issue causing the CLC absent to occur. So that should be everything you need to know when connecting to your interface box using the Bluetooth dongle. So thank you for watching, and feel free to visit us at www.world-electronics.com.